In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your home on Zillow 2026 guide. We'll move from opening Zillow to hitting publish, making sure every field sets you up for strong first impressions and qualified inquiries. Start by going to Zillow.com and signing in to your account. In the top navigation, hover over sell and choose post for sale by owner. You'll be asked for the property's full street address, city, and state. Enter it exactly as it appears on official records so Zillow can locate the correct parcel and keep your listing tied to the right map data and school zones. Zillow will then display your home on an interactive map. Take a moment to confirm the pin is right on your roof line. If it's accurate, choose a yes, it's the correct location. If it's off, select a no, let me change. Drag the marker to the correct spot and save and continue. Proper placement helps buyers find you in neighborhood searches and avoids confusion with similar addresses. Next, fill in your property details and media. Set your list price based on current local comps and overall market conditions. A realistic price improves search ranking and reduces time on market. Add new photos and upload clear, high-resolution images of both the exterior and interior. Prioritize good lighting, shoot rooms from corners to show scale, and remove personal items from view. If you have a video tour hosted elsewhere, paste the link to give buyers a walkthrough experience. Use the home facts menus to choose your home type and enter accurate counts for bedrooms, bathrooms, and total square footage. Include the year built or the most recent remodel, and write a concise description that highlights your best features. Think natural light, storage, outdoor spaces, or recent upgrades, so buyers can quickly understand what sets your home apart. You can also schedule an open house by selecting a date and a start and end time. Keep windows reasonable so visitors can plan and allow a buffer to tidy between groups. In the What You Love About This House section, add a personal, honest note that helps buyers picture daily life there. Under technical specifications, list included appliances and finishes and specify the cooling type, and heating fuel. Clear utility details help buyers anticipate operating costs. To finalize, provide the contact method where you want to receive inquiries. Check the acknowledgement confirming you're authorized to sell and that your information is accurate and compliant. When everything looks good, click Post for Sale by Owner to publish your listing. And that is all for today. Taking the time to fill out every detail ensures your home stands out to the millions of buyers browsing Zillow every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in